Hey Strikers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Zobie Fright boxes. Now, before I get started with opening these, I have two of them. They both arrived at the same time. One of them is a pop culture box, so it had a Wicked, I believe Supernatural, and Sonic in it. And then the other one is a mystery box that I have no idea what the stuff is in it, but that one's a monthly subscription. The pop culture one that I got is a bi-monthly subscription. But anyway, I'll get into opening these up for you guys. Now, when I first found out about this, I found out about it from Jack Pula's Castle channel, and I wish I had known about April's for the monthly subscription, because there was a trick-or-treat candle that I saw. I don't know if they put it in every single one, but I would have loved that one. Now, I believe this is I'm guessing this is the monthly one for the horror, because I don't recognize this shirt. What it's from. If you guys do, let me know in the comments below. Next, we have a collector's pin. Looks like poppies. And a bunch of coasters. They all have the same design on it too. Klowns From Outer Space. So, at least I got something Klowns From Outer Space. Which, literally last year, I did have the Klowns From Outer Space. People signed my Funko Pop, which was literally 1 week after I had just got falsely terminated from Universal Studios. And if you had not seen that video, I'll link that in the comments below for what had happened, because I still have PTSD from it. I'm not going to probably enjoy the new Epic Universe Park, but I'm still healing from it, and I'm hoping that I can eventually enjoy what used to be my happy place again. But now for this last one, it is, hold on, let me look. This is behind the mask, and you get one like photo signed. So, that's if you select it with the autograph, I think. Okay, so the t-shirt was Longlegs, and the pen was actually Critters. There is another pen you can get. So, one of those two pens. And that's it for the monthly subscription box. Let me see what's in. Actually, let me put this back in here, and I can put this up later. I will have to check out Longlegs, because I have not actually watched that movie, but I do like the shirt. So, but if it is a Universal Studios movie, someone let me know so I don't make the mistake of watching it. At least for a while, until I'm ready to actually watch Universal Studios movies, because there's a few movies I want to watch that I can't have to avoid. Okay. On to the I'm guessing this is the pop culture box. This is the pop culture box. So you get like a Sonic pin with that one that I got. Supernatural Join the Hunt necklace. Some pictures from the new Wicked. This one's signed by Cobra Kai. Oh, they do authenticate. It looks like, because it has the Zobie Fright logo. Yep, and that's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. I thought there was supposed to be a Funko Pop with this one, but I guess not. I know they do have a Funko Pop box you can get. Sorry, a little bit under the water. But I know they do have a Funko Pop box. For pop culture, I guess you. I saw that you can do it like every week, weekly. I mean every 2 weeks or every 2 months. And that one is like 12 something a month. But I'm guessing that's where you can get the Funko. I thought for the pop culture they would have put a Funko in there, but I still like the box. And if you guys liked today's video, just comment, like, and subscribe and share. It helps me for the channel, and it helps the YouTube algorithm know as well. Bye!
Give me a sense of direction, give me a sense of